the air.
You have told too much, and you must suffer the consequences.
Who the fuck is this?
You're about to find out when the doorbell rings.
I have no idea who you are, but I need you to leave me the fuck alone.
FBI, open up!
Do you all realize what we're dealing with here? If they take Area 51, we are fucked.
The best course of action now is to remain calm and keep your nerve. Stop fucking overthinking shit.
Well, what is your plan so far? Because I haven't heard you say anything useful yet.
We need an emergency alert for the states that are in the path of Chinese occupation. In the meantime, we have the terrain advantage. We need to fortify positions there.
Sounds good. I'll carry that out ASAP.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. Nevada is under an immediate evacuation order. It is expected that the People's Liberation Army will advance into Nevada soon. Sheltering in place is not advised, as your survival may not be ensured. Tie a white flag to your mailbox to let authorities know that you have evacuated. If you do not have the way of evacuating, call the Nevada Department of Transportation at 775-888-7000. You can also go to www.nv.gov to apply for federal assistance in your evacuation. Once again, that is 775-888-7000. or www.nv.gov.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. Radio stations and broadcast systems across the United States have been hijacked. The origin of these hijackers are not known at this time, but government officials are working.
Humans are descendants of extraterrestrial beings. We found your planet before you could even imagine. We came across monkeys and slightly altered our man and created your species. Your society portrays us as gods who descended from humans, when in reality, we were just aliens. For all of the prayers that go unanswered, why do you think that is? For the families that waste their time, open your eyes. God doesn't exist. When you die, the universe just continues without your existence. Your government has held secrets for decades. This virus outbreak that has occurred for the last year or two was a setup from the very top. Your government has attempted to reach out to us in an effort to help and secure the world and rule it with an iron fist. Their plan is to create a one-world totalitarian socialist government. We declined their offer. We don't want to end humanity, but I will give you your one and only warning. Do not attack us or you will immediately regret even thinking about doing such a thing. Your technology compared to ours is significantly inferior.
We have before us the opportunity to forge for ourselves and for future generations a world where the rule of law, not the law of the jungle, governs the conduct of nations. When we are successful, we have a real chance at this an order in which a credible United Nations can use its peacekeeping role to fulfill the promise and vision of the UN's founders.
What you are looking at is a guide's gold. This guide's gold contains the 10 commandments to the New World Order. This list goes as follows. 1. Maintain humanity under 500 billion in perpetual balance with nature. 2. Guide reproduction wisely, improving fitness and diversity. 3. Unite humanity with a living new language. 4. Rule passion, faith, tradition, and all things with tempered reason. 5. Protect people and nations with fair laws and just courts. 6. Let all nations rule internally, resolving external disputes in the world court. 7. Avoid petty laws and useless officials. 8. Balance personal rights with social duties. 9. Prize earth, beauty, love, seeking harmony with the infinite. 10. Be not a cancer on the earth, leave room for